Now, what if you're not looking to add captions to your video, but you are looking to add your own custom text? You're able to do that as well. Go over here to text in the top left. Let's click into it. And then with default text, just drag and drop that onto your timeline here, and I'll put it on a new track. Then we can go over to the Texas flag flying clip here, and we have default text over it. Now in this clip, I mention Waco, Texas, and I think it would be kind of cool to have a little animation on screen that shows the town name. So let's change default text to read Waco, Texas. And I'll scroll down and look at the preset styles here. And we'll click on this one that has the background and black text. Nice, I like how that looks. So I'll bring it and make it a little bit smaller and bring it to the left side of the flag here. And then on animation, I'll click into it. And I like the pop-up animation. I think that would be kind of cool for it to pop in when I say Waco, Texas. Let's check that out. Nice. Let's go back and preview it. In Waco, Texas. Then I also want it to animate out, so I'll click out. And then I'll just do a fade out at the end. I'll bring that in so it doesn't awkwardly linger over my face. Just kind of fades out. So with this, you're able to add text to your videos and add all sorts of animations and pretty much combine everything that we've learned throughout this video to customize your video and animate all sorts of cool stuff on top.